wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, welcome back in another lecture. So we were done with the chapter linear equations. Now the next chapter that I am taking is your factorization. This is your chapter 13 and it's on page 219. So students, what is factorization? So factorization means writing a number in terms of the product of its factors. Okay. So I'll just do the part here, then I'll show you. So it's for exercise 13.1 and it's on page 222. Okay. So the first question is find the common factors of the given terms. So see here, the first part is 12x, 30 and 36, right? So what I'll do, I'll just separately find out the factors of 12x and 36, right? So for 12x, x I won't do. I'll just take it as 12. So for 12, the factors are like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into this x, right? And for 36, the factorization will be done just like this, and the factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? Now the common factors will be those factors that are present in both. That means this 2 and 2, this 2 will be present for this. For this pair, one number will be present, right? For this pair, one number will be present, and for this pair, this will be present. Since there is no x here, or there is no another 3 here, so these two won't be in the common factors. So the common factors will be 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Now the second part is 2y and 22xy. See, 2 is a prime factor, so I'll just write 2 into y, and for 22 the prime factorization will be done like this. It is 2 into 11 into x into y, right? For these variables, we don't do the prime factorization, we just write them as a product. Like if it is xy, it will be x into y. If it is xz, it will be x into z. If it is z cube, that will be z into z, right? Now the common factors will be for this pair, this 2, and for this pair, y. So the common factors will be 2y. Now the third part is 14pq and 28p square q square. So for 14p, I'll do the factorization. For 14, it will be 2 into 7 multiply by p multiply by q, and for this 28 p square q square, the factorization will be done like this. It will be 2 into 2 into 7, it will be 28, then p into p for this p square, and for this q square it will be q into q. Now the common factors are for this pair 1 2, this is 2 into 7 into p into q, so it will be 2 into 7 is 14 pq. Now there is one more part, so I'm just doing the 4 parts here. This is the fourth part is 2x, one term, then 3x square, and then 4. Since 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so I'll just write 2 into x, and for this 3x square I'll write 3 into x into x. Now the prime factorization of 4 will be done like this. 4, it's 2 into 2. So for common factors, students, I have to find out a number that is common in all of these, not in only 2, right? Like 2 and 2, these are the common factors, but it's not present here, so it won't be a common factor. Or just like this x and x, it is not a common factor. The common factor is that factor which is present in all of them. So here we are not finding out any common factor, so I'll write the common factor is equal to 1. That's all for today, students.